Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe, wherever you are in the world. This is your twin flame soulmate reading for the month of May. I hope I help you out in some manner. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. Take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest. Let's see what are the messages for the twin flame soulmate reading for the month of May. I hope it resonates with you. Okay, so let's start your reading and let's see what are the messages for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading for the month of for the month of May. Okay, please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. What are the messages for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading? What are the messages for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading? Beautiful. What are the messages for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading for the month of May? So this is beautiful. So you are going by the book here and you're feeling blessed. And can you see the number synchronicities of 1 1 and 2 2? So maybe you are finding the number synchronicity of 11 22 1 1 2 2. Okay, so you are going by the book and you're feeling very blessed. You are taking the leap of faith and moving in a forward direction with the poised. And there is milk and honey. That means a lot of abundance is coming for you, Aquarius, in the month of May. There is a new life which is coming for you. This is beautiful. Okay, so let's see 5 messages from this deck for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading. What are the messages for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading? 3 more messages. What is the message for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading? What is the message for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading? Your wish fulfillment is going to come true here, Aquarius. There is new beginnings, new life which is coming for you. Can you see new beginnings and new life is coming for you in the month of May for your twin flame soulmate journey here? Beautiful. There is wish fulfillment is coming for you. You are rising as an empress. Okay, fertility is here. There is some kind of truth which is coming for you. Okay, truth is coming for you. Your solar plexus chakra is getting activated. There is new hope which is coming for you. Can you see a lot of hope is coming for you? And keep your hope with you, Aquarius. There is memories of your love, 6 of cup energy. This is your soulmate card which is coming back. There is someone from your past which is coming back for you. Let me see. What are the messages for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading for the month of May? Please give me the messages. What are the messages? The scared woman. You becoming more mature. Maturity is coming for you, Aquarius. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. You are manifesting here. Manifestation is taking place for you. You're working on your creativity. You are reparenting yourself. You're taking care of yourself. You're working on your creativity. You are doing your manifestation. And what are you manifesting? You are manifesting commitment and intimacy, and which is coming for you, Aquarius, in the month of May. Commitment and intimacy is coming for you. This is beautiful. I love it. Let's see what are the messages from the be open to love, be decisive. Okay, you need to be open up to love, be decisive, and embrace your power. Embrace your power here, Aquarius. So beautiful messages here. Let's see more messages. Okay. from the Twin Flame Tarot deck. What is the message for Aquarius? What are the messages for Aquarius Twin Flame Soulmate reading for the month of May? What are the messages for Aquarius Twin Flame Soulmate reading? You have to complete your inner child healing here. Okay? Complete your inner child healing. You need to complete your inner child healing here. Okay? There is acceptance, the art of acceptance, yourself and everyone in universe. You need to accept yourself and everyone in the universe. There is astral experiences, nighttime journey and meeting. So you are meeting your twin flame and soulmate during your sleeping time. Astral experiences is happening. Detachment is here. Release yourself from the end results. And there is a message. We are bringing information to benefit you. So there is a message which is going to come towards you from the divine, from the angels, and that will benefit you here, Aquarius. So these are the messages. Let's see one message from Power of Love. What is the message for Aquarius Twin Flame Soulmate journey? Freedom. You are releasing any self-imposed restrictions on perceived limitations through the loving energy of openness. So freedom is the message here. Okay. Let's see what is the soul lesson for Aquarius Twin Flame Soulmate journey. What is the soul lesson? Grief. I understand that losing something is an opportunity to appreciate it. So that's the soul lesson which you need to learn here. Let's see what is this life purpose for Aquarius Soulmate Twin Flame reading. What is the life purpose for Aquarius Twin Flame Soulmate reading? There is body work and there is sensitivity. You're becoming more sensitive and needs to make changes accordingly. So sensitivity is here, and there is body work. Your life purpose involves body work such as massage therapy, energy healing, physical therapy or exercise training. So these are the life purpose which I am having for you. Let's see what are the messages from angels for Aquarius Twin Flame Soulmate reading for the month of May. What are the messages for Aquarius Twin Flame Soulmate reading? You don't have to stop, Aquarius. Don't stop. Choose a new direction. You need to choose a new direction, okay? Your health is going to improve. Improving health is here. Unlikely, okay? And there is look for a sign. So yes, the universe and angels are trying to communicate with you. So these are the messages from this deck. Let's add one or two messages from the angels for Aquarius Twin Flame Soulmate reading for the month of May. Okay. So the first message for you is happy place. Okay, so first message for you is happy place. Angels wants you to center yourself by going to your happy place to rejuvenate your mind and spirit. Okay, spend more time with your family. Angels wants you to take a step back and spend time with your family. Do not get overly engrossed in work that you neglect your family. Maintain your work and life balance. So spend some more time with your family here, Aquarius. Then there is love is in the air. Angels of love and romance see lot of love energies in your aura and indicate chances of a new love relationship, marriage or engagement. This is beautiful. So this is the message which I'm getting here. Let's see some tarot messages for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading. What is the message for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading? What are the messages for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading? Okay. What is Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading? Wow. What is Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading? Your soulmate cannot sleep at night. Okay. They're spending sleepless nights, or you are spending sleepless night, but someone is here who cannot sleep at night. Okay. Okay. So this is the Tower. The unexpected changes are coming for you, Aquarius, in the month of May for your twin flame soulmate journey. Tower is here. Sudden unexpected changes are coming towards you. You're looking towards your love life with the Seven of Pentacles, the Lovers, and the Six of Cups is here. Okay, this is someone from your past, your soulmate. Six of Cups is also a soulmate card. So they cannot sleep at night. They're spending the sleepless nights. This is your King of Pentacles. So this is someone who is financially stable, grounded. Okay, they know how to manage the finances. Maybe with your twin flame, your soulmate, you are having a lot of conflicts, fighting here, but they're coming towards you. They are at the crossroads. They're making that decision here with the Two of Wands. Okay, to give you Ten of Cups and the marriage proposal. The Hierophant is here. Okay, they're taking the long period of time. Yeah, but they're coming towards you with the King of Wands. They're moving in a forward direction with the Chariot here. Can you see? 1212 was the recording reading time. So they are moving in a forward direction because that's the judgment which is being made by the divine. But they took long period of time to move in a forward direction. What is the message? See, King of Cups, Ace of Cups. They're manifesting. The Magician is here. The Ace of Pentacles. Can you see how beautiful it is? And Four of Wands. So you are manifesting, or the divine, your twin flame or soulmate is doing the manifestation of commitment, marriage proposal, and it is manifesting in your life. Can you see? A stable commitment offer is coming towards you. Maybe you receive some love offer, Ace of Cups, emotional fulfillment from your twin flame, from your soulmate here. Okay, so they want to offer you a cup which is full of all emotions. They want to offer you Ace of Cups and Ace of Pentacles, both stable, committed offer, commitment, and the emotions, emotional fulfillment. So this is what are the messages from the tarot. Let's see what are the signs which you may be dealing with. Before that, let's add some message from the Lovers Oracle. What are the messages for Aquarius twin flame reading? Wow. Wait. A message for you, a soulmate. So don't rush into it. Allow nature to take its course. Right now you have to wait, Aquarius. Okay, let's surrender to the divine timing. Wait for the right time. There is a message for you. I'm thinking of you this very moment. Your love fills me with light. I love you. Can you see? Your soulmate is trying to message you. Maybe they will message you by saying that I love you, Aquarius. There is a message for you. And there is a soulmate. Your soulmate is already with you in spirit. Believe this, and they will manifest physically. So beautiful messages. So let's see what are the signs which you may be dealing with. And then I'm going to close out your reading. What are the signs Aquarius dealing with? What are the signs which Aquarius dealing with? Okay, so you can be dealing with a Sagittarius here. They can be a Virgo. Libra, Cancer, Gemini, Pisces, Aries, Leo, and Taurus. Okay, let's add one message from this deck. They're thinking about you. Can you see? They're missing you. They're thinking about you. Here, they're having the thoughts about you. What are the messages for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading? What are the messages for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading for the month of May? So, bottom of the deck I'm having message. So you will receive a message, Aquarius, from your divine counterpart, from your twin flame, from your soulmate. There is a change which is coming for you. Your pathway is uplifted here. Can you see? A pathway is uplifted. Your divine masculine, the main male, is dealing with a karmic one, false person. Okay, so they're dealing with someone with a false person, and they're feeling very, losing all hopes. Despair is here, but whatever they're losing hope, that is going to end here. Death and rebirth is here. Now they are going to get all the hopes, and here they're gaining the strength, they're gaining the confidence to approach you. There is unexpected income which is coming towards you, Aquarius, from the occupation you are doing right now. Okay, so you will receive some kind of money from your occupation. So this was your reading for the month of May. I hope I help you out in some manner, Aquarius. Sending you lots of love and healing light to all my Aquarius, whoever is watching this video. Take care of yourself, Aquarius, and see you soon.